In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an FM radio, as you see right here, model FM-88k. So far, I've started a little.
Yeah, so basically everything that I taught myself without looking at the manual.
Alright, so far I just put the knob, I solder it pretty much with a lot of solder. And I use how it looks on the opposite side.
Just had the computer with DMX stuff. Oh. Yeah.
That took me about like 20 minutes to do.
Done voting? Yeah.
Now let's continue. Okay, I have finished my FM radio. By the time you start doing FM radio, you should know how to solder. You should start off with a practice. But in the back you see all these metal solderings. I would recommend that you solder completely onto the metal or copper, I don't know, but fill it all in for it can have a better conductive whatever. And one thing I will tell you that you're gonna need to do is when you solder this metal piece right here, first put some solder onto the metal plate and then place the metal rod into it. Don't assume it's gonna stick together. It's just not gonna work. I failed the first time. And also put some solder onto the plate here that needs, if you can see it right there, you're gonna put solder there and solder on there, and then you put the metal rod. It'll make your life easier. Also, coming back to the little knob, you're gonna see here, put a lot of solder to make it stick. It's gonna be hard because it's gonna leak out into here, if you can see. Yeah, it's gonna suck if it leaks out. Also, what's gonna be hard and you need to pay attention to is this. If I can concentrate the damn thing. That little U-shaped gap needs to be exactly on the bottom one that you will see here. You'll place it on top. We'll have the same signal, the same little gap, that little U gap on the bottom. Be careful with that. Basically, that's all it. The last thing you need to put on this is just the antenna and the battery. Also for this FM radio, there's going to be metal rods, 2 of them. You gotta bend them by force. It's not gonna break, but for this one you're also gonna have to put solder onto the metal plates first, and then you place some more solder into the metal rods and the plate. You see here, hopefully. The hell with this camera. And once you're finished with this, there's different ways of testing it. So what you're gonna do here is turn it on. You're gonna see the LED turn on. Press restart first and scan. Okay. got a Spanish channel. And that's how it works. All you have to do is follow the instructions into the little pamphlet that they gave you. Follow it step by step. Solder it completely. The little circle that you will find here. Just fill up the whole thing. This right here. And you'll be fine. I don't know what else to tell you.